Dateline November 10th, 2019. And I'm still wearing running shoes. Check them out. And I don't want to give it up. I don't want to give it up. So, it's not that I don't like snow. Snow is beautiful in the summer. No, scratch that. I think my obsession of not snowing has mumbled my words. No, snow is good around the holidays. Holiday season. That's right. Just Christmas. It's beautiful. It's decorative, and yeah, only at Christmas. Can we have that? No, because Mother Nature is becoming more and more stubborn as she grows older and older. What is she now? 4 million years old? 2 million? Oh, 2 million, yeah, 2 million years old. That's right, Mother Nature. You know what? Chill out. Okay, no, let me take that back, because you always do chill out in the winter. Just relax. And don't snow so soon. That's all I got to say.